বন্ধুদের মধ্যে সাধারণ কথাবার্তা।
Conversation between friends. Good noon, Mohan.
Good noon, Rekha.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Same to you.
How is your mummy?
Not so well. She has a headache.
I'm sorry to hear it.
It's so hot today, isn't it?
It's certainly.
Do you think it will rain today?
Yes, perhaps.
Well, Mohan, now I should go.
Are you very busy now? We'll take a cup of tea first.
Okay, we should move to the coffee house.
Hello, Rekha. Hi, Mohan. How do you do?
Well, and you?
Fine and happy.
Where were you yesterday evening? I rang you.
I went to see circus. Did you see?
No. Where is the circus?
At Redford Ground.
Right. I saw a big tent on that ground. But I didn't know that was a circus tent.
Rahul and I had gone there yesterday. In evening shop, there was a great fun.
How did you enjoy it? Tell me something.
We liked the Joker mimics very much. They were making everybody laugh.
Did they show you the items of trapeze?
Yes, there are many items of it. You must also see the circus.
Oh yes, I will see it on Sunday. Mohan, will you like to see circus?
Sorry, I have an urgent piece of work on next Sunday.
Let us move.